Welcome to Gripo, a multi-cloud platform for Kubernetes management. In this video, we will show you how to create an Azure Secret in Gripo quickly and efficiently. In the Gripo dashboard, click on Settings from the left. Next, click on the Secrets. Here, you will see a list of all secrets you have already created. To create a new secret, click on the Create button. Select Azure from the cloud options. A form will appear. Enter a name of your secret. Cloud name is auto-filled as Azure. Now go to the Azure portal. Copy the client ID from there and paste it into the form. Now copy the tenant ID from the Azure portal and paste it in here. To get the secret ID, go to the Certificates and Secrets section in Azure. Copy the secret value and paste it into the Gripo form. Then, go to the Subscription section. Copy your subscription ID and paste it into the form. Once the form is completed, click on the Create button. A pop-up will appear confirming that your Azure Secret has been created. Now you can see your newly created secret into the list of secrets. And that's it. Your Azure Secret is now securely added in Gripo. And you can use your newly secret for creating clusters. Thanks for watching Gripo.